Hello everyone, Здравствуйте. So I'm Rashmi, and you must be knowing that today is our Russian week. First class of this Russian week. So today we are gonna discuss about the counting. Okay, we have already discussed the counting from 0 to 10. So we are gonna revise that, and from over there, like from 11 to 20, we are gonna discuss. Okay, so okay. Let's start the counting. Okay, so what's one? One is Adin. Adin. Once again. Adin. Two. Two is Dva. Dva. What is three? Three is Tri. Tri. Four is Chetire. Chetire. Okay. 5 is Pyat. 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 6 is Shest. 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 7, that is Same. 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 8 is Wasim. Восемь. Восемь. 9 is девять. 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 Okay. And what is 10? That is десять. 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 Okay. Once again from 1 to 10. Okay. This is один. Один. Два. Два. Три. Три. Четыре. Четыре. Пять. Пять. Шесть. Шесть. Семь. Семь. Восемь. Восемь. Девять. Девять. Десять. Десять. Okay, I hope you have memorized this. 10. We have revised. Okay, I hope you have memorized this. If not, do memorize it now because it's very important. Okay, this is counting. Okay, this is very important thing of any language. Okay, so okay, so do memorize it. Okay, and so now we gotta start our topic of the day. That is the counting from 11 to 20. Okay, so let's discuss. So, what is 11? 11 in Russian is одиннадцать. 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 That is 11 in Russian. Okay? Okay, so what is 12? 12 is двенадцать. 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 Once again. Двенадцать. That is 12. Okay. What is 13? 13 is тринадцать. 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 Тринадцать is 13. Okay. How do we say number 14? 14 is четырнадцать. 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 Once again. Четырнадцать. Четырнадцать. That is 14. Okay. So how do we say 15? 15 is пятнадцать. 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 Once again. Пятнадцать. 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 That is 15. 16 is шестнадцать. Шестнадцать. Okay. Шестнадцать. Шестнадцать. Once again. Шестнадцать. Шестнадцать. Шестнадцать is 16. Okay. What is 17? 17 is Семнадцать. Семнадцать. Once again. Семнадцать. Семнадцать, that is 17. Okay. Now what is 18? 18 is Восемнадцать. Восемнадцать. Once again. Восемнадцать. Восемнадцать. Okay. Восемнадцать is 18. Okay. What is 19? 19 is девятнадцать. 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 Once again. Девятнадцать. 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 Девятнадцать is 19. Девятнадцать. Okay. Now what is 20? 20 is двадцать. 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 Okay. Once again from 11 to 20. Okay. Одиннадцать. 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 Двенадцать. 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 Тринадцать. 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 Шестнадцать. Sorry. Четырнадцать. Четырнадцать. Sorry. Четырнадцать. That is 14. Okay. 15 is пятнадцать. 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 Пятнадцать is 15. Okay. This is шестнадцать. 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 16. This is семнадцать. 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 Okay. This is восемнадцать. 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 Okay. This is девятнадцать. 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 Девятнадцать is 19. Okay. Okay. So what is 20? 20 is двадцать. Very easy one. Двадцать. Okay. Okay. So let's start from 1 to 20 together. Okay. Один. Один. Два. Два. Три. Три. Четыре. Четыре. Пять. Пять. Шесть. Шесть. Семь. Семь. Восемь. Восемь. Девять. Девять. Десять. Десять. Одиннадцать. Одиннадцать. Двенадцать. Двенадцать. Тринадцать. Тринадцать. Четырнадцать. Четырнадцать. Пятнадцать. Пятнадцать. Шестнадцать. Шестнадцать. Семнадцать. Семнадцать. Восемнадцать. Восемнадцать. Девятнадцать. Девятнадцать. Двадцать. Двадцать. Okay, so this is from 11 to 20 we have done today, and we have revised from 1 to 10. Okay, so I hope you'll memorize this because it's very important, and if you have any doubt related to any of the numbers, so do let me know in the comment section and I'll be able to sort it out, discuss again with you this topic. Okay, so okay, till then do revise, memorize this, and okay, до свидания и до встречи, bye bye.